That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. White ball signaled by the umpire. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to his field. It's nicely timed. We'll only get one though. He's calling for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. Edged, but it's trickled away for 4. Unlucky for the bowler. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Back into the gap. Wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. Oh, shot, but only a single. Pacer introduced from the other end. Wide ball signaled by the umpire. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. That is a very quick signal taken. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket.
That is 6. That is just magnificent batting. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. Plays and misses. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That's into the gap. Should look for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. The field has been opened and the batsman should be looking to get those runs in.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. And he helps himself to a 6. Can he do it again?
They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. Bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to his field. Pacer introduced from the other end.
Brazil needed an extra cover.
They have run the first one quick. That is excellent running between the wickets.
He has been ruthless against the fast bowlers in this series.
Plays and misses. We had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets.
That is huge lead. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls. Edge and taken. A brilliant piece of bowling. It took the edge and flew away to the fielder. Calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. That's gone high in the air, and that's gonna clear the boundary for 6.
Fast bowler into the deck now expects some serious changes.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
Oh, that must have really hurt. What a match this has been. It's a jam-packed stadium here today, witnessing an edge of the seat thriller here. That has made some serious damage.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
Nudges it for a single. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
Slips in place. It's nicely timed. Will only get one though. He's calling for two. That is brilliant pickup and throw. Certainly saved an extra run.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. Oh, that was a seriously quick ball. It will be interesting to see where the bowler will test the batsman with the short one.
That's a nasty delivery. Must have hurt. And that's it. A brilliant performance from the bowlers. They've bowled good lines all day.
Let's congratulate.